To another Minecraft video. Today is going to be a tutorial video, as you may know by the title and thumbnail. But today is my first Minecraft tutorial video, and we're going to be building a cool, grave thing that looks kind of like this. So you're wondering, what the heck is this? But I'll tell you as soon as you like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already. And now, this is a grave that has a zombie popping out of it. So if you walk into this pressure plate, it comes out like that. It's pretty dope if you ask me. So we're gonna be building that in this video. And yeah, if you want to see more Minecraft tutorial videos like this, like the video. And yeah, so basically we want to dig out a 9 or a 3x3 area just like this, and then we want to go another 2 blocks down just like this. Bam. Alright, so now that you have this done, you want to dig that down, put a sticky piston there, then a slime block above that. Then you want to add that. You want to put that there, you'll see why. So now put the armor stand there, put that there, put redstone, or no. What the heck? Come on. Okay, so now you want to put more redstone kind of like this. Pretty cool. You want to put this, so then you should have something that kind of looks like this. So then you would want to put that there. You'd want to do this, but before we do that, obviously we gotta get the good old cauldron. We'll want to get that out of our inventory, fill that with water, and then let's get our dye. So we want light blue dye for this, and you can use any colored dye for this, but I just use that because then you'd want a leather tunic, so then you'd want to dye that like that, so then it looks like a normal Minecraft zombie. Obviously you don't have to put the chest plate, I just put it there because it makes it look cooler. So you would want to do this, and then yeah, we need this back. Alright, so now we want to do this, and then so you should have this like soul sand stuck into this guy. Then you just want to cover it like this, and then for the grave, we can just do stuff like this. So 1, 2, 3. Then we can put like this here. Let me break this, and here's the other one I built. Pretty cool. So you can make like a little graveyard. I'm thinking about making this in our hardcore world. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, we have to add the good old sign. So we can do RIP, and then who do we want to say died? Jeff. I don't know why, just Jeff. RIP Jeff. We'll do 1991 to 2021. Sure. And then there you go. You got yourself the good old grave. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that is the tutorial for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.